Ever wondered how some salaried employees retire by 40 or 45 without a business, without a lottery, and without luck? Over 70% of early retirees in developed economies like the US and Canada were not entrepreneurs. They were salaried people who followed silent rules no one talks about. Not the flashy Instagram wealth hacks, but quiet, strategic moves hidden beneath their 9-to-5 routines. And today, we're going to unlock those 8 silent rules, one by one, with real insights, powerful mind shifts, and uncommon tactics that could shave 10 to 20 years off your working life. Stick around till the end because the 8th rule is something even financial advisors charge thousands of dollars to reveal, and we're giving it away for free in bonus rule, which no one talks about. If you're ready to break through barriers and achieve greatness, hit that subscribe button. We're here to support your journey to success. Let's dive in. Number 1. They freeze their lifestyle, even when their income grows. Here's the painful truth. Most people don't grow rich, they just grow their bills. The moment their salary goes from $70,000 to $90,000, they upgrade their lifestyle. New car, more expensive zip code, weekend getaways. But the real wealth builders? They freeze their lifestyle intentionally. They act like their raise never happened and invest the difference into ETFs, dividend stocks, or REITs. That $20,000 invested yearly for 15 years at 8% returns. It snowballs into nearly $600,000. That's retirement fuel, not lifestyle sugar. John, a systems analyst from Ohio, who capped his spending at $60,000 per year despite earning $100K plus. He started investing the gap into a diversified index fund portfolio and retired at 43. His friends were still chasing promotions. He was chasing sunsets in Costa Rica. Lock your lifestyle, unlock your future. Before we go to the next rule, think about this. What if the way you feel about money is secretly killing your wealth potential? Rule number 2. They make emotionally neutral money decisions. What if I told you your worst financial enemy lives between your ears? Emotional spending is destroying more retirements than low income ever will. Over 65% of Americans admit to buying things just to feel better. Sad, shopping, bored, new gadget, anxious, another Amazon box. But early retirees build friction around spending. They automate their investing. They create mental speed bumps before they swipe. And most importantly, they refuse to spend just to feel something. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" ask, "Is this making me freer or more trapped?" That small shift changes your entire financial future. Emotional spending gives temporary relief. Strategic saving gives permanent freedom. Don't let your emotions drive your wallet. Learn to pause before you purchase. Build systems that spend on purpose, not impulse. In the next system, these early retirees use that most people never even consider. They use reverse budgeting, not expense tracking. Ever felt like budgeting is a chore you just can't stick to? That's because most people do it backwards. They spend first, then try to save what's left. But early retirees flip that model. They use reverse budgeting, save and invest first, then spend what remains, guilt-free. Instead of tracking every coffee, they automate 30–50% of their paycheck into investments. What's left is their lifestyle money. There's no spreadsheet stress. Most people give budgeting a bad name because they use it like a punishment. But reverse budgeting is freedom disguised as discipline. It's about making wealth building default. Next, we're going to talk about taxes. Yes, taxes. And how early retirees legally keep more while others overpay quietly. Save before you spend, not after. Automate your freedom. It's not about deprivation, it's about direction. Number 4. They build silent income streams that work 24/7. Here's a question to chew on. If you stopped working today, how long could you survive? Most people panic at the thought. Early retirees smile. Why? Because their money works even when they don't. They build silent income streams, dividend-paying stocks, REITs, rental properties, royalties from ebooks, or even YouTube channel monetization. Not every income has to be loud to be powerful. One of the smartest examples is Alex, a software engineer in Texas, who started investing in dividend stocks in 2013. By 2021, he had built a portfolio generating $2,800 per month in tax-efficient dividend income. He didn't quit his job immediately. He let his passive income replace his active income over time. That's the quiet power of silent income. You don't hustle more, you hustle smarter. In the next rule, we're diving into the reason most people can't retire early, because they don't understand the real cost of time. Number 5. They know time is a currency, not just a clock. In today's fast-paced world, many people fall into the trap of treating time as infinite, only to realize too late the cost of wasted opportunities. The mistake lies in undervaluing the significance of each moment spent. For instance, spending hours mindlessly scrolling through social media or procrastinating on important tasks can accumulate to thousands of dollars lost in potential earnings over the years. To resolve this, start by identifying high-value activities that contribute directly to personal and financial growth. Allocate time for skill development, networking, and strategic planning, investments that pay dividends over time. Investing time wisely is akin to planting seeds in a garden. The more care and attention you give, the greater the harvest of success and fulfillment. Number 6. They treat high income as a trap, not a trophy. Here's the twisted irony. The more you earn, the more you're likely to spend. 78% of people earning over $100K live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because high income gives a false sense of security. Early retirees don't fall for that. They treat their high income as a temporary boost, not a permanent license to upgrade everything. They use it as fuel for investing, not flaunting. Your income is a tool, not your identity. Use it to escape the system, not lock yourself deeper into it. Up next, the brutal truth about debt and why early retirees view it very differently. Number 7. They turn debt into a wealth-building tool, not a financial trap. Most people run from debt like it's a monster under the bed, but the ones who retire early, they learn to ride that monster and use it to build empires. They know there are two kinds of debt, the one that drains your wallet and the one that multiplies your net worth. The average person carries over $6,000 in credit card debt, paying 20% interest while their savings earn barely 1%. Instead, early retirees flip the script. They use low-interest strategic debt, like mortgages, business loans, or margin loans, to invest in assets like real estate, dividend stocks, or profitable side businesses. Assets that generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. Debt is like fire. Left unattended, it burns your house down. Controlled wisely, it cooks your dinner and warms your future. Let's go even deeper in the next point, because the secret to retiring early doesn't stop here. It gets even more interesting. Number 8. They track their net worth obsessively. If your salary is your income, your net worth is your scoreboard. Most people only focus on how much they earn, but the ones silently preparing for early retirement. They focus on how much they keep and grow. They obsessively track their net worth month after month, not to brag, but to measure progress like a GPS. Every dollar saved, invested, or debt paid off is a step closer to financial freedom. People earning $100K plus per year still retire broke because they confuse high income with wealth. Net worth shows the truth. Assets minus liabilities. If that number isn't growing, you're just running faster on a financial treadmill. Take Grant Sabatier, who went from $2.26 in his bank account to a net worth of $1.25 million in 5 years by religiously tracking his finances. He used that data to make smarter moves, increase his savings rate to 80%, and retire in his early 30s. His journey began not with a raise, but with a Google sheet. Your income is like a selfie. It shows you today. But your net worth is the full movie. It shows your entire financial story. Here is a bonus rule for you which no one talks about. They design their exit plan before they need it. If you wait until you're exhausted to retire, you've waited too long. Early retirees plan their exit from the very beginning. They run simulations. They visualize life after the 9 to 5. They know their FIRE number, financial independence, retire early, and they build toward it like it's their personal moon mission. Retirement isn't an age, it's a number, and your early exit starts with early intention. Every rule you've heard today wasn't about genius IQs, lottery tickets, or secret connections. It was about discipline, systems, and choosing to live a life most won't, so you can live a life most can't. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you want to know secret wealth hacks of wealthy that will make you rich fast, then watch this video. I'll see you there. I'll